Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Usambut Menteri Rangba ka Jalau ba Prestone tensong habakran cikilat pathai kubor menta ka janmiet alor ka jingong mar ka jingkular jong ka AITC ki Paidbah balada ka wanha ka bor ha ka election house nam arajar arpulai kinsa pendamno ya ka MOU balasoy ha pedang ka Jala Assam bar ka Jala Meghalaya bar kinsa khmi thek pathek Hashwa Komta na kalyang ba Prestone loong ailat beki Paidbah ka Jala kin sngoto ka wei balada ka TMC kan sya Jied ban yalam ya ka Jala kamut baka TMC ka kwa ban pentikena baka kentin status quo kan em hadu dawai no ka perthai ulong ba ailat beki Paidbah kin bu jingkeli ka TMC la kata ka jingtmu jong ka TMC ban sedang biang na du ding kong ka jing penbet kaput kalong ka jingtmu ban thau jing ya kaja hadu ban dakut ka perthai ha padang kita ki ar Jala Loong ki Paidbah ken haban Pyrkhat Hashwa Shispah Sien lakin Jied ni em ya ka TMC.
Relating casino, I think our chief minister has already made a very clear statement inside the house. You need to understand one thing: anything which is given inside the house, that is official, and nobody can challenge. So that day, our Honorable Chief Minister has already said, casino, it will die by its natural death. I think on the 28th or 29th, that provisional license issued will expire. That also he made the statement. So as far as casino is concerned, it is dying on its own. Number two, you talking about the second point is you talking about redoing or revisiting the MOU. Let the people of the state understand one thing: if TMC, if they are to elect the TMC party to rule the state, means TMC wanted to make sure that the word status quo remains till the end of the world. So let the people ask question to TMC: is it the way of your redoing thing about the issue of boundary? Are you trying to say that you want to create confusion till the end of the world about the residents of both Meghalaya and Assam? So that is my question to TMC. If they want to redo or to revisit the MOU, I'm telling you, let the people think 100 times before they elect the so-called ITMC.
So coming to Meghalaya, giving admission.
Yeah.
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.